Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio. Welcome back to the Nigerian Nomad channel. So if you guys have been following this project, I've been taking you guys steps along. So the last time we were here, last episode, I showed you all the trench excavation of this bungalow that we are putting together while we are waiting for the other duplex stuff to cure, which is like a 2-week process. So we're actually going to start putting that up as well, like in the next day or two. Actually, by the end of this week, Sha. But from here on out, a lot of progress has been made. So they finished the foundation of here, and they have even put in the iron for the column base, and they're already putting block work to get ready for like the actual like German floor and the casting and everything that they need to do before they cast the columns. If I'm speaking in technical terms, just know that we are working on the foundation. So I want to show you guys some inner works here. Oh. So right now, these are blocks supplied by the people that we used to line up the boundaries and edges of the area. So there you go. So these are for the columns, ready to be casted. You guys can see foundation is done, and these block works are just adding more to the structure of the house. Echo shell. So there we go. So this process probably have maybe like a week or two more till they finish everything that's required to do like the flooring before we start putting up the block work for the next floor. But anyway, so that's it. Just wanted to show you guys around. Very cool stuff. So that's it. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update video. So the next time we'll come and see all the floor together, because sometimes when you look at a foundation, you don't see all of these things. You just see like plain concrete wall, but there's a lot of work that needed to have happened underneath before that cement floor comes on. All right, guys, I will see you guys soon. All right, guys, I have one more quick update to show you guys. So while we're working on the 3-bedroom bungalow to get that one off the floor and simultaneously waiting for the 4-bedroom bungalow casting to be fully cured, we are also simultaneously starting work on the security infrastructure of Green Paradise. So which is mainly really starting with the perimeter fencing. So the first step is to do some trench excavation for the foundational part of the fencing. So what we're doing is we're starting from the gates house and we're connecting it essentially to the fence that we're going to use to fence the whole phase 1 community as we're simultaneously putting all of these buildings together. And then this would allow us to like fully secure the place physically. And then once we do that, everything else from there on point will be controlled access. All right, guys, if you are looking for a nature-inspired living environment that is full of peace and serenity, that you can hear the birds chirp, there's lakes, there is fruits, food, off-grid sustainable living, fully self-sustainable environments just right outside of the city, we would love to welcome you to our community called Green Paradise. So if you're interested, we are building bungalows and duplexes now, and we also have some lands for sale if you're not ready to build yet but you just like to be a part of the community. Definitely reach out to us at thegreenparadise.com is the website, and our number would also be on the screen for you to reach out to us. We would love to have you be a part of the community. This community is a fully government approved estate. The whole layout is fully approved. Everything is done. We're just bringing it to vision now. Accessibility, amazing. 15 minutes from Ibadan, 45 minutes from Lagos, another 45 minutes from Abeokuta. So you're also very close to the city. This place is right out off the highway. We have a lot of developments here. We have Foursquare Campground. We have McPherson University and a lot of estate signboards already here. So the community is just lovely, and a lot of towns as well. A lot of people do farming. Just a very, very lovely community. So if everything I'm saying sounds like your vibe, we would love for you to join our community. All right, thank you so much for going along this journey. And remember, guys, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.